Vision: a vibrant and nurturing Polytechnic Service College for transforming lives and communities. Mission: to improve the life of people and communities through quality instructions, innovations, productivity, initiatives, environmental and industrial feasible technologies, resource mobilization, and transformational outreach program and services. BSIT goal: the program prepares students to be IT professionals who are well-versed in application, installation, maintenance, and operation, development, and administration. It also engages them to lifelong learning in their endeavors, contributing to research extension and resource generation in the field of information technology. BSIT objective: to practice in advanced human resource in the field of information technology, especially in the development, installation, maintenance, operation, and management of information technology. To develop students with critical thinking through research and extension activities. To strengthen values which are desirable in the information technology professions and the common good. Core values: praise, productivity, delivering quality program research and developing proactive professionals, resilience, cultivating positive attitudes and renewal amidst challenges, accountability, being responsible, transparent, and decisive, ingenuity, prudent use of resource and cost effectiveness, synergy, teamwork, collaboration, and partnership with stakeholders, excellence, global orientation, empowerment, and transformation. Dreams and visions within the mind of novels, a place to stay, a chance to live and grow. Men endowed with wisdom and honor, molded bread of society. Singing victorious praises, Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Once realized, built close to every heart, with warm motherly embrace for all. Like a knight in shining armor, guiding star of searching souls, we're singing victorious praises. Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Your guest to provide us with enlightened minds, to prime us completely in our endeavors, enabling each to share wherever we are towards greater heights. We go forth and serve God and fellow men, for reaching we will shine. We're singing victorious praises, Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College, a place where you and I belong. Long live